In anatomical pulley, the muscle being deflected, then the momentum is increases. While the momentum is increased, then the torque will be increases. Then the muscle efficiency is going to increases. Then after the muscle efficiency increases, then we can apply same force. When we apply a less input, we can gain a greater output in our muscle. So let's discuss patella. First case, there is no patella. In second case, there is patella. So in quadriceps muscles, insert here. If there is no patella, the muscle is like this. But if there is patella here, then the muscle is going to like this. The muscle is deflected. So let's calculate the momentum. Here the momentum is this much. But here the momentum is like this much. So momentum is increases. Then torque is equal to force into momentum. We can give the same force, but here the momentum is greater momentum. So torque will be definitely increases. So whether the torque is increases, then the muscle efficiency is also increases. So here patella increases the efficiency of muscles. So here the patella is anatomical pulley.